Many of you are familiar with this futuristic silhouette from the Hyundai Staria. But what you might not know is that Hyundai Motor Malaysia is now the official distributor of Hyundai's cars in Malaysia. And this Staria is now locally assembled. And this is the Prestige 7-seater edition. Hyundai Motor Malaysia is here for good and they're here to stay. And they're putting all their effort behind the government's initiative to do a lot of localization. So you're going to have a lot of spare parts and you're going to have a lot of cars coming in from Hyundai's expanded portfolio. And the proof of the pudding is this first step with the Hyundai Staria 7-seater Prestige, because the local assembled CKD model is spec'd exactly like the CBU model. So is it time to consider a Korean MPV for your family needs? Well, just look at that boot space and think about it. It's not just the space in the back. Step inside the Hyundai Staria and you'll realize that it's more of a lounge than a car in here. You've got these premium relaxation seats and you've got fully adjustable armrests, and you even can tilt this entire thing down so you can essentially lie down in your seat in the back here. This car is designed for family use and corporate use and used by officials. The second row premium relaxation captain chairs are the star here. Heated, ventilated, 8-way powered and with one-touch recline and built-in ottomans, all wrapped in Napa leather. Long journeys can become truly restful. For Malaysian families who want comfort without compromise, the Staria balances premium finishes with practical storage and easy access features. Just look at all the ways you can charge your devices in here and all the places you can store things. Tech and safety are part of the package too. Premium audio from Bose, smart connectivity and driver assistance on the Prestige model are all included. This 7-seater model also gets the blind spot cameras, which are very unique to Hyundai. Hyundai Motor Malaysia is also backing the Staria with an enhanced ownership package. You get 8 years or up to 160,000 kilometers of warranty coverage from the manufacturer, plus a few complimentary service sessions thrown in. The Staria was updated when Hyundai Motor Malaysia entered the market. With a few brass trimmings and a few other minor enhancements, the 7-seat Prestige edition is so much better of a package than ever before. So check out the website below and head to your nearest Hyundai dealership to check out the new locally assembled range.